Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome and I hope you stay. Today, I'm bringing to you a very easy marble nail art. Without wasting time, let's just get started. So, I'll get the fake nail and come in with a black gel polish. I'll go ahead and cure it. Since I want the base very vivid, I'll come in with a second coat. After curing the second coat, I'll come in with a glossy top coat, but this time I will not cure it. I'll get a very fine brush and dip it into a white gel polish. Now I'll make some strip designs on the nail. I'm not really following any particular pattern. So you can see, since the top coat is still wet, the white polish is going to kind of diffuse into it. Afterwards, I'll go ahead and cure it for about 60 seconds. Then give it a glossy top coat. And here we are. Very easy and fast. Let me know what you think about it. Do you like the design? Don't you like it? Let me find out in the comment section. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye.